So today's Ramadan special recipe is this extremely flavorful shawarma spiced chicken with veggie couscous and saffron yogurt. And we're going to be preparing it with some beautiful and stylish kitchen equipment from Virgin Megastores. So there is still time to participate in our Ramadan competition in collaboration with Virgin Megastores. All you need to do is take a picture of one of your Hello Chef creations, hashtag HelloChefMe, and post it on our Instagram, and you can be in the draw to win a bundle of stylish and elegant kitchen equipment. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 220 or 200 degrees Celsius with the fan. Wash the lemon thoroughly and grate its zest with a fine blade, taking care to avoid its bitter white pith. Peel and crush the garlic. Add the garlic, as well as the grated lemon zest, a tablespoon of lemon juice, the coriander, cumin, paprika, chili, salt and pepper, and a drizzle of oil to the baking dish. Add the chicken and toss until coated. Roast for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, peel and finely dice the shallots and carrot. Finely dice the zucchini. Rinse the cherry tomatoes. Boil the measured water and dissolve the stock cube in it. In a bowl, combine the natural yogurt and the infused saffron. Season with a pinch of salt. Mix well and set aside. Heat the saucepan over a medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Add the shallots, carrot and zucchini with a pinch of salt and cook for 5 minutes. Add the cherry tomatoes and fry for 1 or 2 minutes more. Add the couscous and the stock. Bring to a boil, then turn the heat off. Cover with a lid and set aside for 5 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed and the couscous is tender. Slice the roasted chicken. Divide the vegetable couscous among plates and top with the chicken slices. Serve with a dollop of saffron yogurt. Enjoy! I can't wait to dig into this recipe. It was a pleasure to cook and I can't wait to try the saffron yogurt. I love saffron. If you enjoyed this video and want to see some of our other creations and get inspired, then you'll find them here. And otherwise, just subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and bon appetit!